Hey guys, Tony here. So we are looking at a pretty overall solid movement to the upside for all coins. All of it. Ethereum, Bitcoin. So everything is starting to look like we're moving to the upside a little bit. But keep in mind, we're still around the same area where we were maybe a couple of days ago, maybe last week or so, a couple of days. So personally, I am 100% bullish on Bitcoin, and I think right now is the perfect time to actually start accumulating altcoins. I think right now is absolutely perfect. If I was a little bit more liquid, I'd probably be buying a lot more altcoins. But if anybody is out there and they're looking at getting into the crypto space at some point in time, I would say at least my recommendation would probably be buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum. And then once Bitcoin and Ethereum start really rallying, when you have like a decent gain, I guess, is you can take that out and then put it into altcoins, because altcoins tend to usually run after Bitcoin and then after Ethereum. But again, that would be more of a swing trade, and you would have to time it. So that's only if you're comfortable trading or comfortable knowing what would be considered a possible top. But other than that, I think altcoins are actually at a really, really, really good position to be bought at, because ADA's at 219, Polygon's at 124, Anchor is under 9 cents. Like, these are all prices that are still under what they generally were a couple of days ago, if not like a week or two ago. So altcoins are still a really, really good price. You really only have, Bitcoin and Ethereum are the ones that really rallying, right? So, I mean, in my opinion, I think that altcoins right now are perfect to be had, and also obviously buying Bitcoin and Ethereum is great. But I think I think it's so far it's pretty good. If you do have an extra little bit of money, I think that a solid way to diversify is to add crypto stocks. So things like BTBT, Bitfarms, possibly a little bit of Riot, some HUD. I actually just bought a couple more HUD calls today, HUD 8 mining. I currently hold Riot, HUD 8, and BTBT calls, but it's for like 6 months down the line. And then also, I actually sold calls for Bitfarms for February, I think. So if my Bitfarms position actually ends up getting called away, all my shares, that's like 100% gain on like a $30,000 position that I have on BITF. But again, I think it's a super solid time to get into altcoins right now. I think they're super cheap, and I think they're gonna rally really hard after Bitcoin really starts creating a top, starts trading sideways, and then you're gonna have all the altcoins start rallying. So I'll see you guys later. Just saw like a general rise in all crypto overall together. And we're still at pretty good prices on the low side for altcoins. So it wouldn't be a bad time to at least deploy, some cash if available, right? Again, this is all up to you guys. It's your own money, right? I don't control any of that. Personally, if I had more liquid, I'd be buying right now. So that's why I'm telling you guys, like, if I did have a little bit more liquid, I would be buying more altcoins right now. So I just wanted to put that out there. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.